Exercise 53. A water tank is initially filled with 8,000 gallons of water. A pump begins draining the tank at a constant rate. After 16 minutes, it has drained 40% of the water. Which of the following equations models the number of gallons of water W remaining in the tank t minutes after the pump started draining? Okay, so we know that it drains the tank at a constant rate. This sentence, this keyword here, only means one thing. We're talking about a line. Only linear functions, lines, have constant rates of increase or decrease. It's not an exponential anymore. So we should reject C and D. We are now between A and B. T minutes after at a constant rate. When t is 0, it should be 8,000. When t is 16, 2,000. Let's see. 8,000 minus 200 times 16. It's 4,800. Okay, so it looks like B. And why is that? When t is 0 in the beginning, the remaining should be 8,000 in both. Both A and B do satisfy that. After t of 16 minutes, it has lost 40% of water. 40% of 8,000 is 3,200 gallons. This is how much it was drained. But we need to see the remaining. If it lost 3,200 gallons, then it remains 8,000 minus 3,200, which is 4,800 gallons. So when t is 16, W should be 4,800. If we go on A, let me write it here, we would get 8,000 minus 16 times 16. With the use of calculator, that would be 7,744. So A should be rejected. Let's just confirm B. 8,000 minus 200 times 16. 8,000 minus 200 times 16. That should be equal to 4,800, which is exactly what was expected. So the right answer for 53 would be B.